Oh. A jump cue? Wanna look at it?
I got one too. I love mine.
Is it the
Cornell Dark Fizz. This is
oh.
It's unbelievable. You gotta try it.
Oh.
Which one did you get? Keith? Oh, that's brand new.
Yeah. What you think color it is?
Black.
What you think color it is?
I want to say purple.
Yeah.
Tell me I don't know my girls. Remember, I coach girls.
It's pretty cool, right?
He was my college pool team coach.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
College what?
Sam Houston.
Oh, pool team? Oh, you were the coach over there? Oh, you're like a legend. I wanted to go there just because
You
of the,
should have.
but I went to U of H instead.